Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready student? Everyone stand, jump, stop, 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 jump, stop. Okay children, sit in your place, sit straight, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Rub your hands, put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay children, coming to the point. Children, open your workbooks. Revision. Workbooks and homework books ma. In the homework book you should practice. See, recall. The product of 90 and 3 is. What is the product of 90 and 3? 9 into 3. 270. Yes. See, 90 into 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 nines are 27. What is that answer? 270 is the answer. Option C. Next. 52 into 1. 52 into 1? 52 only. 52 into 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. 52 only answer. Yes. D. Option D. Next. The product of 20 and 4. 20 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 8. 80. Where it is? Option D. Understood? Next. Multiple choice questions. The product of 301 and 1. 302 into 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 zeros are 0. 1 3s are 3. 302 only answer. What is that? B. Option B. Next, the product of 200 and 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. What is that product? 400. Where is that? Option A. Next. The product of 111 into 2. 111 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. What is that product? 222. Option D. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. The product of 70 and 6. 70 and 6. 70 into 6. 6 zeros are 6. 6 sevens are 42. What is that product? 420. Next, the product of 800 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 eights are 32. What is the product? 3200. Yes? Yes or no? Next, the product of 301 by 3 is 301 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. What is the product? 903. Understood? Next, what is the product of 222 into 222 into 2? 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. What is that product? 444. Next, what is the product of 121 into 2? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. What is the product? 242 is the product. Understood, children? Find the product of 333 and 333 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. What is the product? 999 is the product. Understood? Next, what is the product of 999 and 3? Copy and practice. See, 999 into, see, ones, tens, hundreds. 999 into 3. Yes, 3 nines are 27. 7, 2 carry forward. 2 nines are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 9 here, 2 carry forward. Again, 27 plus 2, 29. What is the product? You should write like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, 999 into 3. What is that answer? See? $2,997. Okay. Next. Fourteenth one. What is the product of 893 and 4? Ones, tens, hundreds. 843 into 4. Yes, 4 threes are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 7 here, 1 carry forward. Yes, 4 eights are 30. 30. Sorry, I wrote your mistake, ma. 9. See, 4 threes are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 nines are how much? 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 7 here, 3 carry forward. 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. Understood? Write fast. You should practice these all sums now. Next, see, long answer question, 15th one, Salu. See, 422 into 15, 422 ones, tens, hundreds into 15. See, first what you have to do, ones place you should multiply. Yes, 5 2s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry forward. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 here, 1 carry forward. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21. Now, ones place completed. Yes, now tens place. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. You should add. Here any number is there? No, 0. That 0 you should write. This 2 you should add. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 4, 6. This is the answer. 6,330 is the answer. This is A1. B1. 234 into 21. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds. 234 into 21. See, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, plus 1's place completed, that's it. 10's place, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus any number is there? No, nothing is there, that's why 4. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here, 4. 4,914. Next, 16th one. Did you understood what I did? First, ones place you should multiply. After that, you should multiply tens place. Again, you should add this 2. Understood? Next, see, 316th one. 373 into 24. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds. 373 into 24. Ones place, which number is here? 4. Should multiply first in this 4, these 3 numbers. Yes, 4 3s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 9 here, 2 carry forward. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Ones place completed. That's why you should put here plus. Now tens place. Tens place which number is here? 2. In this 2 you should multiply again these 3 numbers. See, 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 4. 1 carry forward. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Should add these 2 numbers. 2. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 8,952 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, B1. 465 into 18. 465 ones, tens, hundreds into 18. 8 fives are 40. 0 here, 4 carry forward. 8 6 are 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4 52. 2 here, 5 carry forward. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 5 37 plus now 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 4s are 4. What is that answer? 6 plus 7 13 3 1 carry forward. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. 8,370. Children, word problems. Take out your word problems. Applications. See, I will explain only 2 ma. Okay, remaining all you should practice. Okay. See, applications. A pencil box has 154 pencils in it. How many pencils would be there in such boxes? See, solution. A pencil box has 154 pencils in it. Okay, how many pencils would be there in 4 such boxes? See, number of pencils in one box is equal to 154. Number of boxes is equal to 4. Total number of pencils 154 into 4. What you have to do? Ones, tens, hundreds. 154 into 4. Yes, 4 4s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 1, 2 carry forward. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Total how many? Therefore, 616 pencils would be there in 4 boxes. Okay. Next, what is that 18th one? One chart paper has 371 see children, one chart paper has 371 words. Okay, how many words would be there on 3 such chart papers? Solution. See, number of charts, number of words on one chart paper. is equal to 371. Number of chart papers is equal to 3. Total number of words is equal to 371 into 3. Ones, tens, hundreds into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. 1, 2 carry forward. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. What is that? 1113. Therefore, the total number of words in 3 chart paper would be 1113. Next, 19th one. You should practice for this all. See 19th one. What is that? I will do only one more. Okay? 20th one you should practice. See 19th one. Ajay kept 675 stamps in a box. Ajay kept 675 stamps in a box. If he has the same number of stamps in 13 such boxes, how many stamps does he have in all? See? Solution 19th one. Number of stamps in one box. How many? 675. How many such type of boxes is there? Number of boxes 13. Total number of stamps in all the boxes is equal to 675 into 13. Ones, tens, hundreds. 675 into 13. Ones place first you should multiply. S, which number is here? 3. S, in this 3 you should multiply these 3 numbers. 3 5s are 15. 5, 1 carry forward. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2, 2 carry forward. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Plus symbol. This one over. 1's place. Now 10's place. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 6 are 6. See? 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. What is that answer? 8775 is the answer. Therefore, there are 8775 stamps in 13 boxes. Understood, children? 20th one you should practice, ma. You only practice. Next, higher order thinking skills. See, multiply. What you have to do? You should do the sums. See, 23 and 10. 23 and 10 means what? Twentieth one. See, 23 and 10. What you have to do? 23, 0, 3 za 0, 0 2 za 0. Again 1 we should multiply. Yes, 1 3 za 3, 1 2 za 2. What is that answer? 230 is the answer. Understood? B1. What is that? 4 and 100. 4. See, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. What is that answer? 400 is the answer. Which two numbers are such that their difference is 2 and their product is 2 less than 50? See, long answer question. Which two numbers are such that their difference is 2 and their product is 2 less than 50? See, as the product is less than 50, compulsory should practice this alma. See, 22nd one solution. See, as the product is 2 less than 50, product 50 minus 2 is equal to 48. Yes, 48 can be written as 8 into 6. Yes or no? 8 6 are 48. Also, the difference between 8 and 6 is 2. Yes, 8 minus 6, 2. Therefore, the two numbers are 8 and 6. Understood? Practice. These all you should practice, ma.